Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about operators in Java, right? So you should know two things. What are the two things? What is operator and what is operand? These two things you are aware about, right? So let me cover one by one. So what is an operator? See, an operator is a symbol or you can say a sign that performs an operation in Java. You know, this is a simple definition of operator. And what is operand? The values on which the operations are performed are called operand. Is it clear? The difference between operator and operand? Operands are the value on which the operation is performed. An operator is responsible to perform the operation, right? For example, I have two values. One is A and another one is B. What I want to add this two. I want the result of A plus B. So, in this, on which two values I am performing operation? A and B. So, this A and B are called as operands here. These two are operands. And this plus symbol, this plus sign is what? It is what? Operator. It is was operator, right? Things are clear, right? So we have few types of operators in Java. For example, the first one is arithmetic operators. We will see this in separate lectures. Fine. So in arithmetic operators, we will cover these five operators, that is addition operator, multiplication operator, subtraction operator, division and modulo operator. We will cover everything in separate lectures, like one lecture for arithmetic operators I will take, and I will cover everything. The next is what? Logical operators. So in this we have two types, logical and logical or. Then the next is what? Unary operator. Unary operator. What do you mean by unary operator? We will cover this thing also. Basically, in this case, the number of operands are what? One only. That is the reason I am calling unary operators. So the first one is unary plus operator, then unary minus operator, increment operator, decrement operator, and logical not. So we will cover this. Fine. So the fourth one is assignment operators. In assignment operators, we have three different operators like simple assignment, chained assignment operator, and the compound assignment operator. Fine. Then the fifth one is what? Ternary operator. This operator is also called as conditional operator. Ternary means what? Here three operands will be present. How many operands? Three operands. Three operands will be present in this case. Fine. Next. So sixth is what? Relational operator. In relational operator, we will cover double equal to, not equal to. So these two are what? Also called as equality operator. This is equality operator and this is what? Non-equality operator. So you can see in many of the documentation that they have covered this concept in the operators. Which type of operator? Equality operator. Equality operator. So basically it comes under relational operator only. This equality operator. Fine. Next. This is what? Less than, then greater than, then less than equal to operator, greater than equal to operator. Fine. The seventh one is what? Bitwise operators. In this we have bitwise or, bitwise and bitwise XOR, XOR, right? Is it clear? And the last what we will cover that is shift operators. Shift operator. So the first one is what? Left shift operator. Two left side what? Less than symbol. Two less than symbols, right? This is what? Left shift operator. Then we have right signed right shift operator. Then we have unsigned right shift operator. So total I am going to teach you 8 lectures. 8 lectures because we have 8 types of operators. So in 8 lectures I will cover everything in detail with the help of programs. Fine, don't worry. So this is all about the basics of operators in Java. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to get the further updates.